Hey everybody, just wanted to come on and make a quick announcement that I have opened enrollment for my June 9th through 11th CompactLogix course right here in my office. We're 1 hour out of Albany, New York. The guys who came last month said it was a beautiful ride, all woods and trees and hills and fields. In any case, this course is going to focus on the 5370 and the 5380. It's going to focus on version 38, which is almost identical to version 31 through 37. But I figured might as well use the latest version if we're going to do a new course. I've rewritten all the labs for 2026, and I'm going to be giving each student that lab book to take home with them. So if they don't complete everything while they're here, they can do it at home if they want to. Now, the thing is that everybody's going to get their own PAC and their own computer. So everybody will be able to go at their own pace. And it is really designed for somebody not who's been programming CompactLogix for years. It's for somebody who's new to CompactLogix or ControlLogix, but we'll be focusing on CompactLogix. And, wants to get up to speed, understanding how to read the ladder logic, how to understand how it works, how to troubleshoot it when it doesn't, how to make online edits and what you can't do online, what you need to do offline, forcing and all that great stuff. And it goes up and through applications, motor control, product tracking, and all kinds of great stuff using timers and counters and all kinds of instructions. And then you can even work with, I got 8 different remote IO or distributed IO platforms in there that you can connect to: Flex IO, Point IO, 1769, 5069. I got some third-party stuff in there. So if you want to connect up stuff to Ethernet IP and see how that works, the guys really loved that last month. And so we'll have it again for our June course. And I even have Factory IO. What that is 20 different factory simulations you can challenge yourself to solve. So anybody who's really quick at what they're doing, maybe they're experts with Siemens or Schneider and they want to learn Rockwell, they can get through all those level 1 and 2 lessons. They can get through all the distributed IO lessons, and they can complete a large portion of the factory IO. I don't think they complete them all, but they could complete a large portion of the factory IO courses, factory IO scenes in this 3-day course. And so whether you're a beginner or you're coming from another platform to CompactLogix, I think this would be a good course. Now, I have had some people say, Sean, why don't you put together a course that talks about UDDTs, AOIs, function blocks, structured text, produce, consume, messaging, and a lot of more advanced topics. And so the following week, I'm open to doing that, but I need 2 people to commit. And I'll go ahead and schedule that. That would be another 3-day course. It would be the same price. The discounted price right now for the first, few weeks before the course is $13.49 for 3 days. I think that's very affordable. But if anybody wants that more advanced, kind of like higher end topics, that would not be where I would design another 400-page lab book. This would be more advanced. I'll go through everything on the big screen with you, and I'm going to give you a challenge sheet that you would have to solve and learn these things yourself, right? So I figured an advanced course, if we do schedule one the following week, I'm going to expect you not to need step-by-step instructions. But for the course I'm talking about right now, from the 9th to 11th, there will be step-by-step instructions. Actually, the guys helped me a couple weeks ago, helped me refine the wording on some of the steps a little bit. So that was very helpful. Added a bunch more pictures and arrows and whatnot to the lab books. And again, anybody who comes on the 9th, you're going to get those lab books to take with you. Now, anybody who's already enrolled in the CompactLogix course over at theautomationschool.com, just let me know. You will save your purchase price off of the in-person training. And if you're not enrolled in the online course, to ensure that you can continue to ask me questions once you leave here, I'm going to enroll you in that course completely free of charge. So if you come out on the 9th for that 3-day course, you will leave with a coupon to enroll yourself in the online course so you have access to that content forever. So with that said, if you guys have any questions about this at all, I'll put my contact info up on the website, but I just wanted to get this out to you guys. I know there's a lot of you out there who maybe are already CompactLogix experts who may know somebody who needs either this course that I've just released enrollment in, or somebody who would like to get that more advanced course the following week, which I have not scheduled yet. But as long as I have a couple people sign up for it, I'll go ahead and put that one together as well. So with that said, that's all I had for this quick announcement. I want to wish you all good health and happiness. And until next time, my friends, peace.